Hi there and welcome to CodeFramer. Let us continue and learn some more fundamental concepts about Python programming language. In the next few videos, I will explain about all the operators in Python. So the first question is, what is an operator? An operator is a symbol, using which we can perform an operation. An operator usually takes two operands, performs the operation and then provides a result. I hope that the definition of operator is clear. We will see examples of all the operators in Python. Now let us have a look at different types of operators in Python. First one is arithmetic operators. Then we have relational or comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and then finally identity operators. Let us have a look at each one of them one by one. So the first one is arithmetic operators. So the first question is, what is an arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operators are basically symbols, using which we can perform various arithmetic operations. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. These are very basic arithmetic operations. Hence have a look at this table, where you can see how different arithmetic operators are represented in Python, and also the output that you can expect for each operation. As you can see, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are pretty straightforward. The modulus operator, which is represented using a percentage symbol, takes two operands, performs division, and gives the remainder of the division as the result. So always remember that if you want to find remainder, then use modulus operator. Now in order to find the quotient, we can use the floor division operator, which is represented with // in Python. This operator performs floor division in Python, where it takes two operands, performs division, and then returns the value of quotient as the result. I hope that this is clear. Finally we have the exponent operator, which is represented with two star symbols. This operator is used to perform exponential calculation on the operands. For example, if we write 5, **, 2, then 2 will become the exponent of 5, hence the result will be 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25. Now let us quickly execute these operators in PyCharm, and see the results. In order to save time, I have written all the expressions, and executed it to show the result. So as you can see, when we print an expression, 4 plus 4, then the interpreter gives the result as 8, in the console. Similarly we can perform arithmetic operations on variables, so if we store the same values in variable, a and b, and then if we perform addition operation, then it gives the same result. I hope that this is clear. Same is with subtraction and multiplication. Now with the division, the concept is basically same, but with one exception, that I want you to keep in mind. So when it comes to division, even when we divide two integers values, 4 and 2, the result will always be in float data type. As you can see in the result, it shows 2.0, and when you pass it to the type function, the result is a float. So always remember, division operator will always return a floating point number in the result. I hope that this is clear. The next example is for the modulus operator, where as you can see, when 5 is divided with 2, then it returns the remainder of the division, which is 1. Similarly for quotient, we can use the floor division operator, so when we divide 5 with 2, the result is printed as 2 in the console. I hope that this is clear. Finally we have the exponent operator, when we write 5 ** 2, then the result of this expression is 25. Here 2 becomes the exponent of 5. I hope that this is clear. These were the examples of all the arithmetic operators in Python. As you could see that most of the operators were straightforward. You only have to remember the symbols and meaning of modulus operator, floor division operator, and the exponent operator. Practice a little more with these operators and play around to get comfortable. In the next video, we will go through all the comparison operators, which are extremely important for conditional statements. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with other code lovers, and subscribe to CodeFramer for more. Thanks for watching and happy learning.